X plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 36. We have to find the value of x and y. So given x plus y is equal to 6, then x is equal to 6 minus y. Let this be equation 1. Now given xy is equal to 36, so let's put the value of x here. So it is 6 minus y times y is equal to 36, or 6y minus y square is equal to 36. Subtract 36 from both the sides, then we have 6y minus y square minus 36 is equal to 0. Now we rearrange it. It is minus y square plus 6y minus 36 is equal to 0. When we multiply minus to both the sides, then we have y square minus 6y plus 36 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation which we can solve using the quadratic formula. Y is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under square root upon 2a, where a is the coefficient of y square, that is 1. B here is the coefficient of y, which is minus 6, and c here is the number 36. Now let's put the value. So y is equal to minus 6 plus minus 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 36 upon 2 times 1, or y is equal to minus plus. So 6 plus minus is inside the bracket, so it is positive 36 minus 36 times 4 is 144 upon 2, or y is equal to 6 plus minus 36 minus 144 is 108, negative 108 upon 2, or y is equal to 6 plus minus negative 108, we can write it as 108 under square root times minus 1, or we can write it as 108 under square root times minus 1 under square root upon 2, or y is equal to 6 plus minus 108 if we factorize it. So 2 times 54 is 108, 2 times 27 is 54, 3 times 9 is 27, and 3 times 3 is 9. So 2 square times 3 square times 3. So this will be 6 times square root of 3. So we can write 6 times square root of 3, and minus 1 under square root is an imaginary unit, so we can write I instead of it, upon 2. Now, two values for y is when 6 plus 6 times square root of 3i upon 2. Take 2 common and write 3 plus 3 times square root of 3i upon 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So one value for y is 3 plus 3 times square root of 3i, and second value for y will be 6 minus 6 times square root of 3i upon 2, or this will be 3 minus 3 times square root of 3i. So two values for y are 3 plus 3 times square root of 3i, or 3 minus 3 times square root of 3i. Then the value of x will be, x we know is 6 minus y, so it will be 6 minus 3 plus 3 times square root of 3i, or 6 minus 3 is 3, and 6 minus plus minus is minus, so 3 minus square root of 3i. So one value of x will be 3 minus square root of 3i when y is 3 plus square root of 3i. When y is 3 minus 3 times square root of I, in that case x is 6 minus y, or x is 6 minus 3 minus 3 times square root of 3i, or it is 3 plus 3 times square root of 3i. So these are the values of x and y. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.